B. Braun. Syringe pump training.
Flash are there, which will be giving three different color flashes. One is green, one is yellow, and one is red. So what is green means when the infusion is running to the patient, there will be a green flash. If it is a yellow means reminders. Example, the volume which you have given, it is going to get empty, or if you given some value but you didn't confirm, that time yellow color flash will become. Red means the therapy is interrupted or therapy is stopped. When the therapy is completely stopped, it gives me a red color flash. And this is the display which will be showing information to you. And after that you can see there is a up arrow, down arrow, right arrow, left arrow. These are the navigation key to use the pump. Like if you want to go right hand side, you're going to press the right arrow. Left hand side, you're going to press the left arrow. To increase or decrease the value, you're going to use the up arrow and down arrow. And you can see there is a button called C. So anything you want to clear it, you are going to use the button called C. And also the underneath there is an arrow. It is like a back button. In your mobile you have a back button, right? It goes back in the steps what you have done. The same process it has. It has two purpose. One is to clear the value and also go back in the menu or go back in the steps. And next is OK button. Anything the pump wants to confirm you have to press the button called OK. So any value you have given, you want to confirm it, you are going to press the button called OK. And there is a button called BOL. What is BOL? It's a bolus button. If you press this button, it will be directly popping you to the bolus menu. From there you can able to give the bolus. And next is the switch on the device. This is the power on button. To switch on the device, you are going to use this power button. And next is this start the therapy, stop the therapy. And these are the buttons and the keys which will be used in your operations. So let me switch on the device. So which button I should press to switch on the device?
Power.
Yes. If I press the power button,
On.
so whenever the pump gets turned on, it goes for a self-test. So what is self-test means? The pump itself will make sure the pump is good enough to start a therapy. If there is any problem with the pump, it will tell you error and the drive will not come outside. Sometimes the drive will come outside, it will tell you error. And there will be a red color flash will be there. So that means the pump is not suitable to start a therapy. So what happens when your mobile gets stuck? You using your mobile, it gets stuck. What you do? You restart it, right?
Yeah.
Same thing, you switch off the device and switch on it again. After the restart, if the problem is solved, the pump will tell you enter syringe, enter parameter. If again the problem is persistent, it will tell you error. That time don't use the pump, inform to biomedical, send the pump to biomedical. So now everything is fine, the pump is telling you open syringe and enter parameters. This is a magnetic door, it can be opened and closed any point of time during the therapy, off the therapy. So now how to fix the syringe inside the syringe pump? Like example, so whenever you're going to fix the syringe, you can see the measurement is facing your side. Example, I'm the user, I'm going to fix the syringe inside the pump. The measurement should be facing your side. Because you can see a magnifying lens over here on the door. So you can check manually how much volume you have entered. So now load the syringe, and this is called as a syringe holder. So to syringe holder, you have to pull it back and turn it to the right. Open the door and put your finger like this, pull back the syringe holder till the end and turn it to the right. So once this is done, you can able to fix the syringe. You can see a green color clip here. So this is called as a wing of the syringe. Okay, you have to place the wing of the syringe here on the green color clip
Wing.
and release the holder. So now it automatically fix the syringe inside and close the door. So once the syringe is fixed inside the pump will show you the list of brands of the syringe. You can see there are multiple brands. B. Braun it is showing, and also Monojet. All the reputed brand syringes will be listed here. B. Braun, Thermo, Monojet, Polfa, BD and everything. If it is not there, whichever syringe you are using, it is not there in the list, means go for the first option.
Okay. Be
First
Braun.
So now what you can see in the display, it is showing me only the list of 50 ml. So that means whatever size you are putting inside the pump, it will be showing only the list of that size, not the entire list. If you put 50 ml, it shows the option of 50 ml only.
Okay.
If you put 5 ml, it will show the option of 5 ml only. So now you can see there is a left arrow and there is white color thing, it is there. Anything in white color line, that means it is selected. If it is black, that means not selected. Now if you see, there is showing a left arrow to select this option. If you want to go down, you have to press the down arrow. So now B Braun OPS syringe, I want to select it. So if I press the left arrow, you can see the drive will come automatically and hold the syringe.
So left side.
So now from this point of time, the syringe is under the control of the pump. So now you can start using this pump. Any pump in the world works with three basic parameters. What are the three basic parameters? Rate, volume and time. So these are the three basic parameters. So now if you know the rate, straight away put the rate and start the infusion. Example, if you don't know the rate but you know the volume and the time, so you can put volume and the time and the rate will be automatically calculated. So any two given parameters, the third one will be automatically calculated by the pump. If you know the rate, you can straight away start with the rate only, but if you don't know the rate, you put the volume and the time and the rate will be calculated. So same thing, if you know the timing, you put the rate and the volume, automatically any two given value, the third one will be automatically calculated. So now example, the doctor is telling start 50 ml of fluid for over 10 hours. So now you can see I'm going inside the volume, I'm selecting down and pressing left arrow, it goes inside the volume. So now how much volume I want to give? I want to give 50 ml. So I am going to press 50. Now the time I want to give. So doctor said 10 hours and 30 minutes. So I am going to put 10 hours. Hours are on the left hand side and right side you will be having the minutes. So when you switch the cursor, it will go to the minutes. So now I am going to put 30 minutes. So 10 hours, 30 minutes. Okay, if I confirm, you can see what is the rate here?
477.
4.77. So the rate is automatically calculated. So any two given parameters, the third one will be automatically calculated by the pump. So now you can see an option of start here. Okay. So once you press this button, it will start the infusion. So until the pump is having sufficient information, it won't give the option of start. So when the pump is having sufficient information to start the infusion, then the option will be given as a start.